Hi, it's Aid from Total Attainment, Understanding Intelligence One Conversation at a Time. Now, before we begin, if these videos help you, please consider liking and subscribing. It genuinely helps me grow the channel. And if you want to go deeper, visit totalattainment.co.uk to see the courses I'm currently offering. Now, let's get into it. If you've never used ChatGPT before, this video will walk you through the free version, step by step. No advanced tactics, no complicated prompts, just a simple walkthrough so you know exactly what you're looking at and how to use it. So we're going to open up a browser window. I'm going to use Google Chrome because that's the one I have on my computer. It's the one that I usually use. And if you have a different one, that's fine. I'm going to type in chat.openai.com. And it comes up with ChatGPT's opening screen. On the right hand side, you'll have login at the top and sign up for free. You can sign up for free. I can also log in here as well. So you can you can sign up with your Google email account, your Gmail account, or your Apple account, your Microsoft account. You can continue and sign in with your phone number, or you can use your organisation's or your personal email address as well. It takes about a minute to sign up, so it's not very taxing. I'm going to log in with my Google account because I have a workspace account to do with Total Attainment, and you can see when I've logged in I get this really lovely simple screen, lots of space to breathe. I can tell it's me. It's got my name at the bottom here on the left with a little badge and telling me what subscription I am currently on, which is free on this one. The layout is very simple. On the left hand side you'll see some links which we don't have to worry about. We're only going to worry about one of these today at the moment. And underneath projects, you would normally have, if you've been using ChatGPT a long time, you normally have a lot of conversations under here with the conversations that you've had previously. So that would be your chat history, and every conversation you have will appear in this space here. Now, at the top of the panel, we have new chat. If you click this, it starts a fresh conversation, and that's really useful if you want to change topic completely. The chat window is the main part. Now, normally at the bottom you would see the message box, but because there's no conversation in here, the message box has been centered, and that will change. As you start a conversation. So you would type in your message in here, press enter, or this button here would turn to an arrow pointing up, and you would click that, and then ChatGPT will respond. So once ChatGPT gives you a response, you can continue the conversation underneath by using the chat box again, and you don't need to start over every single time like you would if you were Googling something. Now, you can ask it to explain something differently, you can go into more detail, or you can clarify a point. Remember, you're having a conversation with your AI tool or creative thinking partner. It remembers what you've been talking about within this chat here. Okay, so let's do a simple example. So let's say explain how credit cards work and what's going to happen now. And you could do this in Google and you'll get some AI response, and you get lots of links, and you could get some videos, etc. But what's so good about this is I think that is really complicated for me. Well, I don't, but for the sake of using AI and not having to do a different Google search, I can now type explain it more simply, and what it will do is it will take all of this and it will re-explain it very simply, so it's much easier to understand. Okay, and that's how the conversation builds. I can say expand paying your bill. And it will look at it in more detail. Okay, so that's really, really useful. There we go. So now, if you want to talk about something completely different, oh, and now you can see it's how credit card works has now started sitting in our chat history. And you click on a new chat now, and you can see it clears the previous content and starts fresh, and that keeps your chats and your conversations organised. Okay, so let's have a look through the settings. So based on settings, based on depending on updates and based on what plan you have, your settings here you can manage your account, which is here, and you can upgrade your plan. There's some personalisation tools in here, and obviously I'm not going to go through these in this video, but I will go through them in another one. You can check your plan, adjust your preferences, and you may, if you're using the free version, which we are, you may occasionally see limits during busy times. So what's the free version good for? So it can help with writing, brainstorming ideas, summarising information, explaining topics, and planning tasks. For most people getting started, it is more than enough. That's the free version of ChatGPT. It's designed to be simple. Open it, type a question, have a conversation. Remember, the more clearly you ask for something, the more useful the response will be. If this walkthrough helped, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And if it gave you clarity, hit the like button as well. It helps more people find straightforward AI guidance. I'll see you in the next one.